Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing some organization of some art supplies that we have laying around the house. So let's jump right in. And before we get started, I'm going to remind you, if you haven't hit subscribe yet, do hit that subscribe and that little bell if you want to be notified for when we release new videos. So I'm going to show you what we are working with. This is my son's closet, and he has accumulated a lot of art supplies, and not all of it's his, some of it is mine. Some of it is from Christmas, some of it is from needing it for school, and it is just so out of order and it's a mess, so we need to get this organized. So I don't know if anybody else has these containers with the markers and the crayons and the color pencils and everything all mixed together. I find after a short amount of time the kids don't really put things back where they should. So we're going to do away with those and find some bigger containers that hopefully will help us in the long run. I had a few sewing items in this blue metal box right here that I was going to give to the kids for like craft type items. The first thing I'm going to do to start organizing is lay everything out and just start picking through, or if you want to dump it out, you just really have to start going through things and throwing things away that are no good. After that, I start organizing and separating things by what they are. So I'm putting the paints with the paints, scissors with the scissors, markers with the markers, pencils with the pencils. I'm sure you get it. And just a little forewarning, having all this stuff out will cause your little ones to come out of the woodwork and want to do crafts. But staying focused here, soon enough your piles will start to get bigger and bigger, and you will be starting to see a little bit of some progress here. So because it is almost nearly impossible to get out and go to the store nowadays, I had to get these bins from Target, and they were a few days out. So in the meantime, I put everything in big Ziploc bags until I was able to get my bins. I did have like 2 on hand, but I wanted more, so we did get them eventually. Most of the bins are going to have only one item in there. For example, this one will have only markers, the other one will have only crayons, but some of them were almost empty, so I did share them with some things like glue and craft type products. This bin had painting items, and the last one had extra pens, pencils, and color pencils. And what would any organization project be without labels? I have used this label maker in my prior organization videos. If you haven't checked that out, I can link it down below for you. And this label maker is under $20 on Amazon, so I will link that as well. And once the labels go on, my vision is really starting to come together. I think this way is going to be a lot more organized for the kids, and we will only have to take out what we need, and it'll be easier for them to figure out what they want to use. I also have this galvanized caddy that I am putting what they use most in here. And then in the bigger side, I have a bag of stickers that they tend to use a lot. And then we have some brush pens that I want to make sure that we keep those all together as well. And this is what the closet is looking like now. I feel like it makes a world of a difference and is so much more organized, and everything has a place. So just want to say a quick thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys found this useful or it helped you in any way, and I hope you guys find yourselves well, and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Take care.